It's a significant improvement over the activity we had.
I've had a lot of homeless.
We went around the country talking to people who made the switch. Going more people buy
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 572, effective until 3:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Lafayette, Scott, Mouton. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television.
Who killed him? That's pretty good, detective. Found treasure. $7 million in gold.
Well, that's definitely motive for murder.
unlocks the key.